Dad, in class there are 30 students and one teacher. The teacher cannot go at each person's pace. I have been confused about something in math for 3 weeks because I do not want to slow everyone down by asking.
That is called the 2 sigma problem. A 1980 study by Benjamin Bloom found students with a one-on-one tutor outperform classroom students by 2 standard deviations. The average tutored student beats 98% of classroom students.
98%. So the entire system is teaching to a disadvantage and everyone knows it?
Has known since 1984. Could not scale individual tutoring. Until now. AI tutors can give every student one-on-one attention. Infinitely patient. Never makes you feel dumb for asking. Adjusts to your pace, your level, your learning style. Available at 3 a.m. when you are stressed about the exam.
Infinitely patient is the key thing. I asked my teacher the same question twice and felt the vibe shift. With AI I could ask 50 times until I actually understand it.
Khanmigo, the AI tutor from Khan Academy, does exactly this. Sal Khan called it potentially the largest positive transformation of education in history. He built an entire free education platform, and he thinks this is bigger. Valid concerns. Students using AI to avoid thinking entirely. Shallow engagement. Academic dishonesty. Loss of the productive struggle that actually builds understanding.
If I ask AI to solve the math problem instead of tutoring me through it, I learned nothing and just have a correct answer.
The tool used correctly is revolutionary. The tool used as a shortcut produces a person who can only function with the tool running. Both futures exist. The choice is how you use it. The equity angle is the most powerful. A kid in rural Nigeria with a phone gets the same quality AI tutor as a kid at a $60,000 a year private school in New York City.
That is genuinely the first time in history that has been true. The private school advantage has always been human attention. AI democratizes human attention.
The smartest student from a poor country with a phone can now access the equivalent of a Harvard tutor. The implications for human potential globally over the next generation are almost impossible to overstate. Right use: ask AI to explain a concept you do not understand. Ask it to quiz you. Ask it to give you harder problems once you solve the easy ones. Ask it why you got something wrong. Use it to go deeper.
I am going to go ask it about that math thing tonight. The thing I have been confused about for 3 weeks.
You could have done that yesterday. This is the most free thing on earth right now. The 2 sigma problem: one-on-one tutoring beats classrooms by 2 standard deviations. AI tutors scale that to everyone. The equity flip: same quality for rural and private school students.
I am solving my 3-week math confusion tonight and I am embarrassed it took this conversation to remind me the tool exists.
Use the tools you have. That is the whole lesson.